Hello guys, welcome back to your channel Study Easily with Simplifies Learning. Today we will learn some trending words. First word is TROLL. Correct pronunciation of this word is troll. Meaning इंटरनेट पर मजाक उड़ाना, बुरा भला कहना या नेगेटिव कमेंट करना. The sentence is he is getting trolled on social media for his tweet. उसके ट्वीट करने पर सोशल मीडिया पर उसकी मजाक बनाई जा रही है. Some synonyms are insult, taunt, tease, jeer, spoof. Antonyms are praise, compliment, embrace, respect. The next word is NETIZEN. The pronunciation of this word is netizen. Definition: a user of the internet, especially a habitual one. जो इंटरनेट बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं उन्हें नेटिजन कहा जाता है. So are you a netizen? Comment below. Nowadays, most of the people are netizens. Let's see the sentence. Netizens are trolling him. मीन्स नेटिजन्स जो लोग ज़्यादा इंटरनेट यूज़ करते हैं वे उसे ट्रोल कर रहे हैं. सिनोनिम्स आर इंटरनेट सर्फर, साइबर सर्फर, इन्फोनॉट. एंटोनिम्स आर नूब, न्यूबी, डिजिटल इमिग्रेंट. द नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज ALLEGE. The correct pronunciation of this word is allege. You must have heard allege or allegation. Means बिना सबूत के आरोप लगाना. ये वर्ड न्यूज़ में बहुत ट्रेंडिंग में है. Sentence is he was alleged for murder. उस पर हत्या का आरोप लगाया गया था. Synonyms are bogus, claim, spurious. Antonyms are truthfulness, disclaim, decent. Next word is RESTRAIN. Correct pronunciation is restrain. Means to control or restrict or prevent someone or something from doing something. In Hindi, किसी व्यक्ति या वस्तु को रोकना या कंट्रोल में रखना. Sentence is they have tried to restrain him. उन्होंने उसे दबाने या कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश की. Synonyms are suppress, control, restrict, prevent. Antonyms are support, promote, encourage, boost. Next word is DEMISE. The correct pronunciation of this word is DEMISE. हिंदी में मीनिंग है व्यक्ति का निधन या मृत्यु. Sentence is the whole nation is mourning on his demise. उनके मृत्यु पर पूरा देश शोक मना रहा है. Synonyms are death, loss of life, passing away, departure from life. Antonyms are birth, life, existence, genesis. The next word is BOYCOTT. The correct pronunciation of this word is boycott. Means to refuse to take part in an event or refuse to buy things from a particular company, etc., because you strongly disapprove of it. In sentence, we must boycott the Chinese products, or we should boycott the people who promoted nepotism. हमें उन लोगों का बहिष्कार करना चाहिए जिन्होंने भाई भतीजावाद को बढ़ावा दिया. I've already uploaded the vocabulary of nepotism. You can check it in description box. Some synonyms of boycott are reject, refuse, avoid, ban, prohibit. Remember guys, it's not avoid, it's avoid. Antonyms are accept, permit, approve, allow. It's not approve, it's approve. It's not allow, it's allow. Thank you for watching this video till end. Like, comment and share to all your contacts so that they can also improve English from the beginning. And it motivates me too to make more such videos. So subscribe. Thank you.